Cook chicken wings only like this. Cut the chicken wings into halves and put them in a bowl. Add baking soda and pour in cold water. Mix well and let them soak for 20 minutes. Fry the wings in the pan with vegetable oil until they brown nicely on all sides. Season with black pepper, sweet paprika, salt. Mix the chicken wings with the spices. Crush the garlic. Add ketchup, mustard, honey. Mix again. Pour in water and braise for 20 minutes. Cut the cabbage into thin strips and put it in a bowl. Add 1 grated carrot. Put mayonnaise on the plate. Add mustard, vinegar, sugar, finely chopped green onion, finely chopped parsley. Season with herbe de Provence, salt, and black pepper. Mix the sauce. Add the sauce over the vegetables. Mix the salad. Stir the wings in the pan. These chicken wings are part of the category of recipes you never get tired of.